Today, we're reviewing the Realme Narzo 80X. Is it the perfect budget smartphone? Let's find out. The Realme Narzo 80X features a sleek design with a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display. With vibrant colors and a 120 Hz refresh rate, it's smooth and perfect for streaming or gaming. Under the hood, it packs the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, making it great for gaming and multitasking. You get up to 6 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabytes storage, which is more than enough for most users. On the camera front, it has a 50 megapixel main sensor and 2 megapixel depth camera that captures sharp, detailed shots. Plus, the 16 megapixel selfie camera works great for clear, bright photos. With a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, you can easily get through the day. And with 45-watt fast charging, you can recharge to 100% in just 50 minutes. Overall, the Realme Narzo 80X gives you solid performance, a great display, and impressive cameras, all for a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a phone that delivers without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. What do you think of the Realme Narzo 80X? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more reviews. See you next time.